Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to solve 5 very important number-based questions for MYP 3. This is the continuation of previous video, so do watch those videos as well from the same playlist. So let's start with our first question. Here, an outdoor cinema in Sydney has booking for 180 adults at $25 each, 120 children at $10 each. Each customer also pays a $5 booking fee. Write an expression for total amount paid and calculate the total amount paid. Okay, first of all, we need to find how much is the amount paid by adults. It will be 180 multiplied by $25 each. Now let's try to find the amount paid by children. It will be 120 children multiplied by $10 each. Similarly, we need to find the booking fee. Booking fee is for all the customers, including adults and children. So it's going to be 180 plus 120 multiplied by $5. Okay, now let's write an expression. Expression would be the amount paid by adults and children and booking fee all together. That is 180 multiplied by 25 is the amount paid by adults. Now 120 multiplied by $10 is the amount paid by children's, and the booking fee. Booking fee is going to be together for adults and children. That is 300 multiplied by 5, which comes out to be 4,500 plus 1,200 plus 1,500, which comes out to be 7,200. Hence, $7,200 is being paid by all the customers. Let's jump to next question. In a shop run by Cole, there are 150 red roses, 120 yellow roses, and 90 white roses. Red roses cost $3 each, and yellow and white cost $4 each. Write two expressions for the total cost, one using brackets, and calculate the total cost. Okay, so here what is mentioned is red roses are being sold at $3, whereas these two are sold at $4 each. Okay, so let's try to find the total cost for red roses. It will be 150 multiplied by $3 each, and yellow will be 120 multiplied by $4 each. Similarly, for white roses, it's going to be 90 multiplied by $4 each. Now, let's write an expression. So expression is going to be the cost of red roses, white roses, and yellow roses together. That is 150 multiplied by 3 plus 120 multiplied by 4 plus 90 multiplied by 4. If you note here, we are not using any brackets. So let's write the same expression using brackets. It means we are going to club together yellow and white roses because both are sold at $4 each. Multiplied by 4. Let's try to find the answer. So answer would be 450 plus is 210 multiplied by 4, which comes out to be 450 plus 840, that is 1290. So the total cost of all the roses is $1,290. Okay, let's jump to next question. Mr. Smith bought 2 chocolate bars for his class. Each bar has 36 pieces. There are normally 20 students, but 3 are absent today. Write an expression using exponents if possible for pieces each student gets. Calculate how many pieces each student receives. Okay. First of all, we should find total chocolates. Total chocolates would be 2 multiplied by 36, right? Now let's find the students present today. Students present would be 20 minus 3 because 3 kids are absent. It comes out to be 17. Now let's write an expression using exponents. So amount each student received would be total number of chocolates, that is 2 multiplied by 6 to the power 2, because here 36 is actually 6 to the power 2, divided by number of students present that day, which is 17. Hence, let's try to find this answer. 72 by 17 comes out to be 4.24. It is approx 4 pieces. It means each student gets approx 4 pieces of chocolate. I hope you understood this question. Let's jump to next question. James has a container with 5 liters of juice. It is poured equally into 8 glasses. Write an expression for the amount of juice in each glass. Calculate the amount per glass in milliliter. Kindly note the answer has to be in milliliter. Let's try to find the quantity of juice in milliliter would be 5 liter would be 5000 milliliter. Okay. Now let's try to write an expression. So expression for the amount of juice in each glass would be total quantity available, that is 5000 milliliters, divided by 8 glasses. Let's try to find the exact value. So exact value would be 625 milliliter. It means the amount per glass would be 625 milliliters. Let's jump to last question. A passenger train passes through a level crossing every 10 minutes. A freight train passes through the same crossing every 45 minutes. Both trains pass the crossing at the same time now. Very important. How long will it be before both the trains pass the crossing together again? Okay. So now in this case, in such questions, we have to always go and find the LCM of these two timings, which will help us to find when the next time these both trains will cross each other. So let's try to find LCM of 10 and 45. Let's divide by 5 here. We are getting 2 and 9. Let's divide by 2 here. We are getting 1 and 9. Let's divide by 3 here. We are getting 1 and 3. We are getting 1 and 1 here again. Now let's try to get the LCM. So LCM would be 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which comes out to be 90. It means at 90 minutes, both the trains is going to cross each other again. Hence, this is the answer. Hope you understood all the questions. Do continue watching other videos from the same playlist. Thank you very much. Goodbye.